back to AutoLength, where we break down the most iconic and exciting cars out there. Today we're talking about a true American classic, the Chevrolet Impala. Known for its bold presence, smooth ride, and long-standing history, the Impala has been a symbol of comfort and performance for decades. From the outside, the Impala carries a sleek and elegant design. Its long, flowing body lines, wide grille, and signature bow tie badge give it a commanding look on the road. Whether you go for a modern version or a vintage model, the Impala always turns heads. Colors like Summit White, Silver Ice Metallic, or Mosaic Black make it look both classy and bold. Inside, the Impala is all about space and comfort. You'll find a roomy cabin with high-quality materials, supportive seats, and a quiet ride. The infotainment system includes a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus optional features like a Bose audio system and leather-trimmed seats for added luxury. Under the hood, recent Impalas come with a strong 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 305 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This setup gives you smooth acceleration and solid highway performance, making it great for daily commutes or long road trips. Despite its size, the Impala handles confidently and offers a refined driving experience. Safety is also a key strength. Features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert add peace of mind for drivers and passengers. With prices ranging around $32,000 for the newer models, the Impala offers serious value. It competes with sedans like the Toyota Avalon and Chrysler 300, but stands out with its blend of power, comfort, and American style. Thanks for watching Auto Analyst. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on the Impala in the comments below.